What's the recipe for more sustainable food systems in the EU? Currently, the food policies being served up by the EU are putting a lot of problems on its plate. It's time for a fresh start. Encouraging more healthy and sustainable diets in the EU will benefit people, animals, and the planet, as well as our economies and food security. But how can this be achieved? Don't worry, we have the recipe. The first ingredient is a dash of definition. EU policymakers need to advocate for sustainable and healthy diets. Then, add a sprinkle of advertising. Healthy and sustainable foods should be the most promoted in the EU, including more plant-rich diets. A ladle full of labelling is next. EU citizens must be supported to make informed food choices with clearer food labels. A pinch of public procurement follows. Public purchasing power should be leveraged to accelerate the transition to more sustainable food systems. Marinate the recipe with more access to healthy and sustainable foods. The EU's farm subsidies should favour food production that aligns with healthy and sustainable diets. Mix in some minimum requirements. Food should be made healthier and more sustainable by design, with policymakers setting binding targets, as well as by ensuring imported food meets the EU's requirements, for example, on animal welfare. And there you have it. Dishing up healthier and more sustainable diets doesn't have to be complicated. With these steps, the EU can ensure consumers have access to healthier and more sustainable diets, while also supporting farmers in the transition to more sustainable food systems. Take a seat, let's eat.